city of Bath. We're gonna go explore the Roman baths and then see some of the city as well. Very nice, old-fashioned looking.
Yeah, you don't read the sign. It says that it can fill your bathtub in 8 seconds.
Hot springs. History time. This has been built over 2,000 years ago, and then throughout the time it was buried with other construction around the city. 300 years ago is when they started digging it up and they found the baths, and now it's an archaeological place where people come and visit. And if you need more information, go to Google.
Oh, look at that.
There's the hot room. This is the immersion pool. Pulteney Bridge.
Oh, look at that owl right next to that lady.
It's fake.
It's fake.
Oh.
Calm down. Like the owl's gonna stay there and that lady's gonna be normal. Oh, salte.
I didn't notice it.
No. Walking down the streets here in Bath, and I'm gonna surprise the family now, taking them to the circus. They are confused and excited, so should be fun. Welcome to the circus.
Really? We walked all the way over here for this? I saw pictures of it. We need to take a panoramic 360.
Mira.
The circus. So much.
Ah.
I need to do
The circus.
The Royal Crescent.
I thought we were going around the other.
So yesterday, due to traffic from London to Stonehenge, we missed our scheduled time. But now they were nice enough to change our tickets for today. So we are here now. Piccadilly Circus. This is the Times Square of London, so they say. Supposedly Mr. Bean.
All over the place. Singing! Come on! Come on, guys! We will rock you. Buddy, you're an old man, poor man, bleeding with your eyes, going to give yourself something. You got a bite on your face, big, big stress. Going on your way. Come on! We will rock you. Now, come on, guys! Hey! Guys, I love you so much right now.
Seems like this area is really popping and busy. So if you're ever in London, you gotta come and see this one day. This is called Seven Dials, and I am just guessing, but there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 streets. So maybe that has something to do with it. Once again, you want more information? Google. Somebody's having a good day, night, I mean. And with this, we say good night.
Welcome to the